Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to try to propagate this baby. This is a variegated superbum and I want more. So I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to do some leaf propagations. I'm probably going to behead this one here, this big mama. And then I'm going to also create some like little wounds, I guess you would say, in the stem to try to promote new growth. I'm going to get started. I don't think I'm gonna cut this one. I might do a little bit of wounds here, but I'm nervous to cut this one, to behead it. So first I'm gonna cut this one here. I'm just gonna cut it there. Okay. And I have this baby. I'm gonna take off some leaves to propagate here. There's that one. Gotta clean them up. I do see Millie, so I'm gonna have to treat them. There's that one and that one. I'm gonna take those off, clean them up, treat this, and then now there's these new ones here. And hopefully they produce new growth there. I'm cleaning off these little Millies here. There's that one. Okay, so now on here, let me go and zoom in. I'm gonna make little marks there. I use the same little guy here. I'm just gonna just go like this here. I'll definitely keep you guys posted on this. Just I'm a little closer to the original here. And I'm gonna take a couple leaf propagations here. So you just kind of twist the leaf, and that pops right off. Just like that. And I'm gonna also take some leaf propagations from here. See what happens with them. 1, 2. So that was not a clean cut. Okay. So this one likely will not propagate because it was ripped. So it has to tear from there, but we'll still try. It's supposed to smell like this guy. It's so pretty. It's completely variegated. This one, some nice variegation. Alright, let me set this up and then I'll show you guys. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put them all on this one. I'll put the leaf propagations in this one. Grab these. Go and use my drywall tape. Rip this hole. That. Some soil. This is black mold with surface in it. I'm gonna add some surface on top. And I am going to just pop it in there. There we go. There's the mama. Use this one for the leaf propagation. Try a different one this time, so I'm gonna stick them in there like this. Oops, wrong way. I'm gonna do those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. And I'm gonna do the other ones laying on soil, I should say. Okay, put that one in there better. That's that. Surface. And these I'm just gonna lay on top here. That's one that broke, so we'll see how that one does. Alright, here's that one. We'll see how they do. Here's how I have them. This is the mama, the big one. Here's where I took the cuttings from. And then here are the leaf propagations. So they're underneath this, they're on this shelf. So we'll see how they do. This has been where this one has been. Like, this is the location I kept that one. So yeah, we'll see how it does. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps me out on my channel. Let me know what you guys think about this process and if you've tried any of these. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.